Spring is here, and that means it's time to get organized and start cleaning.
Oh, I know you love this.
Yeah.
Lifestyle and design expert Kelly Edwards is joining us now with tips and tricks that you can do to get your home in order and refreshed for spring. Welcome, Kelly.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, Kelly, before we even begin, I love design on a dime. Yeah, but do you ever get nervous, like, oh my God, I'm not going to be able to do this on a dime? Like, do you ever just like freak out?
Sometimes we do. Sometimes we have these clients that want their rooms to look like $1 million, and I actually have $2,000. So yes, sometimes I do. I have to be very creative. I have to be honest.
All right, cool.
Okay, so the bottom line is most people are like that. A lot of people don't even want to spend $1,000. So you have some tricks, some easy things that'll give us instant gratification.
Absolutely. One place we can start is the living room, one of my favorite places because that's where we entertain. Now, I personally, as a designer, love products that are double duty. One product that you absolutely need to get is the Frame by Samsung. So basically, if you're in the market for a television, not only is it a television when it's on, but actually when it's off, it's a piece of art, which I love. So it's a great way to personalize your home decor. They have a growing library of 1,400 pieces in their art store. They also have recommendations from the AI-based auto curation technology. The frame is super slim. It's about the same depth as a picture frame.
Wow.
And this season, they're actually letting you make your own TV with the mix and match mounting and bezel options for the frame. They've also just introduced something called My Shelf, which is a new accessory that allows you to basically customize that area and the wall around the frame. So basically, you're no longer going to have that black box there, right? The shelf itself fits on 55, 65, and 75-inch televisions, and it comes in 4 colors, and you go to Samsung.com. So that's my favorite thing for double duty in the living room.
That is awesome. What a beautiful design and what a beautiful idea that is.
Yeah, right now I don't have a TV in the living room because I just wanted it to not look like I only had a TV in the living room.
Exactly. That'll solve the solution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so you've got some other tech gifts as too?
Yeah, well, let's go outside. Let's go to gardening because I personally love gardening. And this year I actually teamed up with Burpee. I love them. They're the national leader in home gardening. And they launched for the first time their 2021 Garden Cast. What this does is it inspires gardeners to really plant and grow their gardens this season. Now, they come up with a bunch of trends, one of them being the World Herb Garden. Now, things like cilantro and dill and lemongrass, like I have here, these are amazing things to grow in your backyard. It kind of basically satisfies that wanderlust for us to travel. Even though we can't, we can grow these, bring them inside, and create international dishes in our kitchen, which is what my husband and I love to do. Now, I like to put these in little pots on the countertop, and they're easily accessible when I'm cooking. Now, another thing that they did was Garden of Joy. Now, this is like the bright, the cheerful flowers that we all love that make us feel better. Pansies, violas, cheerful faces, cheerful eyes, which I love. I always say pansies are smiling at me, and of course, violas have this sweet, subtle smell to them. So I basically plant all these vibrant colors, and then I break them up into monochromatic bouquets, and I put them around the house. So I'll do pinks maybe in the bedroom, where I'll do something a little bit brighter in the kitchen. So if you want to find out about any of these trends, you go to burpee.com/gardencast, or of course, you can go to their social media site, which is Burpee Gardening. Now, in terms of these products here, if you want to save money, I'm going to tell you guys how the best way to save money is to go to slickdeals.net before you buy anything for your home. Now, what this is it is a social shopping platform, basically is an app, and they also have a site, 12 million unique viewers. They vote and they vet on their best deals, so you actually know if you're getting a good price. Search for deals, you can discover new products, and you can also read reviews from a community of savvy shoppers. So it's basically like having 12 million of your best friends, and you're all sharing all these great deals on the site. You can also set a deal alert. This will actually notify you when a deal matches your criteria, and it gets posted to the site. So it's called slickdeals.net. So that's what I have for that. Now, my last 2 things that I really want to talk about is cleaning, because that's super important right now. And it's really important to make sure everything is sanitized. So I'm talking about those high touch surfaces like the light switches or the doorknobs. Microban 24 is a great thing to have on hand. Now, this is an antibacterial cleaning product that kills bacteria on surfaces for 24 hours when used as directed. So touch after touch, doesn't give up. It's actually powered by a multi-layer protective shield. So it kills the bacteria for 24 hours. You spray it, you walk away, no wiping required. Last but not least, my favorite thing, Oral-B Click. If you need a new toothbrush, you do not have to hide the toothbrush in your cabinet anymore. You could actually leave it out because it looks so amazing. They have different colors, chrome black, chrome white and also matte black, but they have their 3 new premium colors: rose gold, Alaska blue, and aqua. And it also has this magnetic brush holder here that you guys see, so it can stick to any surface. Gives you that refreshing manual clean. It has X-shaped crisscross bristles that get in between your teeth. It removes the plaque and really does provide superior overall clean. I also like the fact that it's environmentally friendly because you have a replaceable brush head. Even if you replace the replaceable brush head every 3 months for the next 2 years, you'll actually save 60% less plastic than you would if you used a regular manual toothbrush. So you can buy this at retailers or go to Oral-B.com online. But these are all of my favorite things to have on hand for spring. You can, of course, go to any of these websites to see information about the products, or you can go to my Instagram, Kelly Edwards Inc.
I never thought about spring cleaning my teeth. That's a really good idea.
Well, I love it has a little holder because the kids always leave it all over the counter, and maybe they'd actually put it up if they could click it to something cool.
Double duty again, see? Another double duty product that actually gets the kids to clean up.
And Kelly, how are you? Everything is good in your life?
Everything is amazing in my life. I've actually started shooting 2 new real estate shows on AWE. I'm doing a couple renovations here in LA. I live in Southern California. I can't complain. Everything's good. We're healthy. That's all that matters.
Exactly. Well,
Absolutely. Good for you.
good for you. Nice to see you. Thank you so much, Kelly.
Hey, thanks for having me. Hope to see you guys again soon.
Yeah, absolutely.